So friends, Nothing and CMF continue teasing glimpses of their upcoming budget products, and here's another one. CMF by Nothing has teased the Phone 1 alongside more upcoming devices yet again. Here's what you need to know about them. The CMF by Nothing account shared a short 15-second video titled Reinventing the Wheel on Twitter. The video contains three products, reportedly the CMF Phone 1, CMF Buds 2 and CMF Watch Pro 2. The first few seconds shows us what could be a lanyard dial on the CMF Phone 1, which Nothing teased a few days ago. If you look closely, there are visible hooks under the slim circular dial that probably tuck in the hold and lanyard. Surprisingly, it doesn't look like the rotating dial will sit flush with the back panel. As the earlier leak, sadly, there's still no info about the screw on the left side of the device or what it does. The second product could be the CMF Buds 2 with what we assume is a lanyard dial like its predecessor. Lastly, the third product could be the CMF Watch Pro 2. While we don't know what's going on with it in the video, judging by what we saw, the Watch Pro 2 could have a replaceable dial to customize the watch. While there are not any detail about Buds 2 and Watch Pro 2 in the wild, we know that the CMF Phone 1 could feature MediaTek Dimensity 7200 dual cameras and 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt charging. The screen is a 6.6-inch 120Hz AMOLED panel similar to the Nothing Phone 2A. The CMF Phone 1 will be India exclusive and we expect it to cost under Rs 20,000. So friends, what do you think about the Phone 1 that CMF teased? Do you think the physical dial will be for something or other than holding a lanyard cable? Let us know in the comments. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.